Hi, and welcome back to the hangar with Xcraft, and we are going to talk about our next project today. So, I had posted a poll on what we should do next, and I got one vote. One vote. A little disappointed. However, my one vote came from a young gal named Kaylee, and Kaylee chose this, the Hasegawa P47d-25. This kit is 30 years old, if you can believe the date on the bottom of the instruction sheet, printed 1996. So we're looking at a 30-year-old kit. So it's going to be, it's likely going to build well because it's a Hasegawa. It might not have a lot of detail, but it's going to build up well. I'm pretty sure of that. I've built multiple Hasegawas in the past, and they're generally pretty decent kits. I can't complain at all. This particular kit, came from a garage sale in Florida, and it was missing some things. I got a buddy that lives down there, and I told him, hey, go ahead and grab it. It was cheap. Send it up. I got this for, I don't remember. There's no price tag on it. Sorry. I think I got this for like, I don't know, $8 or something like that. It was cheap. Missing instructions and missing decals. So, and also the antenna. There's an antenna in there, but it's not quite the right antenna. It's really close. I think it'll be just fine for our purposes. If not, I could probably make one. They're not that complicated. So the first thing I did was went on a website called ScaleMates, and ScaleMates you can look up virtually any model ever built, I think. And guess what? They have instruction sheets. So we got this printed off. So we're good to go there. And as far as decals go, I was looking for something else at the time. However, I really like the color scheme of this one, Angie. I like the cowl. I like the black and yellow cowl. A lot of times I choose to do stuff other than the box art to be different. But this one, I really like that nose art. So that's what we're going to do. And I was looking for something else. I was looking for Kansas Tornado 2 specifically. And that's right there. I found it. And guess what's on the exact same sheet? It's Angie. And the beautiful thing is this is a bubble top. There's a Razorback. I happen to have a Razorback in my collection already, which is what I wanted the Texas Tornado decals for. But now we got Angie as well, and it didn't cost me any more money. So happy about that. There's the nose art that comes with it right here. Tornado, and then you got Angie in the middle, and then whatever this one is. That one I'm not sure of. It says Little Ann. It looks like it was probably a squadron mate of Angie. It has the same nose art on it, the same color. It's the yellow with the way it streaks back along top of the fuselage. It's done slightly different, where this one's black and yellow, and this one looks like it's just all yellow on the nose. So, anyways, these came from Barracuda decals. We'll find out how good these are. I have not used Barracuda before, so we'll find out. The only other thing that I've noticed with this kit, I've gone through it. All the parts are here, which is great. Got a whole box of them. There was 2 sets of the clear parts in here. I'm not sure what's up with that. And in this bag is that antenna. Matter of fact, it looks like there's 2 antennas in there. We'll make something work, for sure. Otherwise, everything appears to be here. Now, this being a 30-year-old kit, It's not going to have the detail that modern kits do. The cockpit is pretty tame, to say the least. This one would really benefit from a PE kit. However, we're not going to do that. We're going to do this one just straight out of the box, and build just what's here, and we'll do the best with what we've got, and it'll look fine. It's not going to look great, but it'll look fine. The panel line details actually look pretty good, where a lot of times nowadays they're too over exaggerated. These are nice and shallow. I can catch a thumbnail on them, but they're nice and shallow and pretty scale looking. One of the things I'm excited about with this kit is that it's aluminum fuselage. Underside looks like it's aluminum. I've got to see if I can find some photographs of this airplane and see what color the wing tops are supposed to be. I guess if you go by the manual, it looks like they're silver. It looks like it's the same aluminum as the fuselage. Top of the fuselage looks like it's black or possibly olive drab. And the tail on this is also olive drab. Okay, so if you can go by the decals, the top of the fuse is olive drab and the tail is olive drab. Nose is yellow. The rest of it is bare aluminum, which I love. I love doing some bare aluminum. So anyways, congratulations to my one poll voter for being the winner. So upcoming here, you will be seeing the Hasegawa P47d-25. And this is kit number 09140. And oh, there's two kit numbers here. There's another one that says JT40. I looked it up by 09140 and it came right up on ScaleMates. So I'm guessing that those kit numbers they cross. So we're gonna get after this. So keep your eyes open for another video coming soon, and we'll be starting the cockpit build on this. So until then, keep your fingers out of the glue. All right, here's another quick shot of the box art. I really like this one. I don't buy kits for box art, but this is a nice one. This I might cut out and stick on my wall. I'm going to call this an entry-level kit. We'll see if we have any issues along the way, and we'll recap that at the end. Again, I went on ScaleMates and I found this manual. Here's just quick shots of these pages. Again, scalemates.com. You go on there and you can find anything and everything you can imagine as far as the kits go. You can't buy them. You can't buy kits off of there, but you can download instruction manuals, and there's reviews, dates the kits came out, just general information regarding them. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, hit the notifications button on the bottom. And until next time, keep your fingers out of the glue.